Welcome to my channel travel information. If you are coming my channel, like, subscribe and share my video to your family, friends and relatives. Today talking about Moulin Rouge Cabaret Show, which located in Paris, France. This show duration is 2 hours approx. Why travelers choose this tour? 2 showtimes and a dinner upgrade allow you to choose the best ticket and price for you. Overview. The dance sequence builds in intensity and complexity. Includes of song and dialogue keep the audience engaged as the story of love, magic and passion unravels right before their eyes. The show climaxes with a thrilling finale of music, dancing and spectacular light effects. The audience is up on their feet clapping and cheering in appreciation to the cast and crew. The curtain closes, and the performers take their bow to a standing ovation. The audience leaves the theater with a smile on their face, having experienced an unforgettable evening at the Moulin Rouge. Experience the most famous cabaret in the world. The Moulin Rouge Paris Theatre Show soak up an atmosphere filled with can-can dancers, fabulous costumes and music. Enjoy a choice of 2 show times with champagne up to upgrade your experience with a fine French meal. Please notice this regarding cancellation. This experience is non-refundable and cannot be changed for any reason. If you cancel or ask for an amendment, the amount you paid will not be refunded. Thank you for watching this video. If you are get some travel information, so like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel to your family, friends and relatives.
Thank you for watching this video. If you are get some travel information, so like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel to your family, friends and relative.